Optimize nutritional intake. Hair growth is directly influenced by essential micronutrients and macronutrients. Incorporate protein-rich foods. Keratin production relies on amino acids, as well as biotin, vitamin B7, zinc, iron, and omega-3 fatty acids. Medical studies have shown deficiencies in these nutrients can impair hair growth and lead to thinning. Foods such as eggs, salmon, spinach, walnuts, and sweet potatoes provide these critical elements. Stimulate the scalp with therapeutic massages. Scalp massages enhance microcirculation, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to the hair follicles. Use scientifically backed essential oils like rosemary oil, which studies have shown to be as effective as minoxidil in promoting hair density. Dilute these oils in carrier oils, e.g. coconut or jojoba oil, to prevent irritation. Ensure adequate hydration. Hydration is essential for maintaining the elasticity and moisture balance of hair strands. Dehydrated hair becomes brittle, prone to breakage, and loses its natural luster. Aim to consume at least 2.5 to 3 liters of water daily, especially if living in hot climates or engaging in physical activity. Limit heat and chemical exposure. Frequent use of heat styling tools, above 185 degrees Celsius per 365 degrees Fahrenheit, can denature hair proteins and weaken cuticles, causing breakage. Similarly, chemical treatments like bleaching disrupt hair shaft integrity. Use low heat settings and protective sprays to minimize damage, and focus on natural drying techniques when possible. Use biologically active hair masks. Weekly application of natural masks rich in bioactive compounds can promote scalp health. For example, aloe vera contains proteolytic enzymes that repair dead skin cells on the scalp. Honey acts as a humectant, locking in moisture and providing antibacterial properties. Yogurt provides lactic acid, which exfoliates dead skin cells and balances scalp pH. Trim split ends regularly. While trimming does not directly stimulate growth, it prevents the progression of split ends that cause breakage and reduce overall hair length. Dermatologists recommend trimming every 6 to 8 weeks to maintain hair shaft integrity. Improve sleep and manage stress hormones. Chronic stress elevates cortisol levels, which disrupts the anagen growth phase of the hair cycle. Stress-related hair loss, such as telogen effluvium, is reversible with effective stress management techniques like mindfulness, yoga, or cognitive behavioral therapy. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of restorative sleep to support the natural repair processes of hair follicles. Adopt a dermatologically approved hair care routine. Use sulfate-free shampoos to preserve the scalp's natural lipid barrier. Overwashing strips the scalp of sebum, leading to dryness. Wash hair 2 to 3 times per week, depending on scalp type. Avoid aggressive towel drying and opt for microfiber towels to reduce frictional damage. Supplement when necessary. Biotin, vitamin D, and iron deficiencies are commonly associated with hair thinning. Blood tests can identify deficiencies, and supplementation should be tailored accordingly under the guidance of a healthcare provider. For instance, iron supplements may be essential for women with heavy menstrual cycles to combat hair loss due to anemia. Protect hair from environmental damage. UV radiation generates free radicals that weaken the hair shaft and degrade keratin. Use leave-in conditioners with UV filters, and cover hair with hats or scarves when exposed to sunlight. Additionally, pollution can clog hair follicles, so regular cleansing is critical to maintain scalp health. Hair growth is influenced by both intrinsic factors, genetics, hormones, and extrinsic factors, diet, environment. While these steps promote optimal conditions for growth and shine, persistent issues like androgenetic alopecia or sudden hair loss require medical evaluation. Consider consulting a dermatologist or trichologist for advanced diagnostics and interventions. By adhering to these scientifically grounded practices, you can naturally achieve healthier, stronger, and shinier hair over time. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share if you found this helpful. Stay healthy and take care of your beautiful hair. See you in the next video.